Dear viewer, Assalamu Alaikum. I am Engineer Mohammad Rezaul Haq. Welcome to my Automation Tools YouTube channel. Today, I will show how can we make an analyzing trend of a IGV of a gas turbine. If gas turbine is making some problem, so let's start. How can we make a trend to analyzing to find out the fault of this IGV? First, we go to the toolbox XT, and this is connected to the GE1, and here we find here you see it is the tender. We click here, and here you make an add button. Then you can make a trend name. Trend name is a IGV analysis. Okay, then you press the OK button. You see this interface will be open. Then in the left side corner you see it is the plus sign. Here we have to be at the trend, so we press the add text button. Then the interface will be open. Here you say welcome to the add text wizard. Press the next button. Here you have to be select which one you want to add, live, historical, capture or static. We want to live value, so select live and press the next button. Here you also see the system component and workstation ST. A different type of option is available is here. We select the system component and press the next button. Then here you see the component name is G1, S1, A6. We want to make the trend in the G1 system, so we select G1 and press the next button. It is the period, scanning period. It is the minimum scanning period is 10 milliseconds, so we select this one and press the next button. Now almost our configuration is complete, but now we have to add the trend number, which items or which tag number we want to make trend. We add is here one by one, so press the add button. Here we can search as per our requirement tag. Our requirement tag is say 90 VC1. You see IGV position demand. You can see is here already come is here. This is select and press the OK button. You see already added. We want to add another one, so place add button again, and here you type the tag number 96 VC1 1A. You see IGV position feedback. You see IGV position feedback. Press OK. If we want to add more one, so press add button again, and here you write the tag number 86 IGV error error. You see already countries here. You see actual error. You see IGV error on a position error, actual error. Okay, press add button again. We want to add another one, so press add button, and here you write down the L86 IGV. You can see IGV control failure. You see it is IGV control failure at this one. Again we add another one, press the add button, and here we retain IGV high L86 IGV high. It is so it is a high error, IGV position high error. At this one we are adding tag number that's related to the IGV control system, so we are taking the value one by one. L86 IGV high. You see IGV position is your high. Select this one, and we want to add another tag number, so press in the add button, and you see IGV A underscore IGV underscore DMD. You see this is on the variable inlet guide band IGV position demand in degree. It is maybe in degree. You see we want another tag we want to add, so I place add button again. A underscore IGV underscore FBK. Okay, you see inlet guide band position feedback. Okay, press the OK button. You see, almost all our tag number is completed. All our tag number is completed. So now we want to press the finish button. Okay, we press the finish. You see, already our tag is added here. If we press the record button, then the data will be start recorded. So okay, now we press the record button. Now it is saying that which controller you want to connect, R, S or T. You have to designate controller connected, so press OK button. Now our trend will be started. You see, trend is coming. This is the false value. Now it is the degree is 50-50, so almost is same. Now we put the force value. We want to open the IGV by putting the force value. You see, this is the control block of IGV. So in manual control, you see position demand. We put the force value is here. Press 1. First we want to put the 5% and select the force and send and close. You see, here feedback also see, position also see, and you can see here we can go to trend and see what's the happening. You see, our actual position, actual error, position feedback, position demand is here, initial feedback is this one. It is the actual error in degree. Therefore we want to add another one, so we press the plus button, and here we write the tag number 1 underscore IGV underscore ERR. You see, this is the IGV position to feedback. Actually we want to add this one. Okay, press add button, and you see in the last one, you see is already added tab. So it is taking some time to complete the configuration work. You see, it is in busy mode. When now it is okay, now we press the recorded data, right, record. You see, and it is the record is start. You see, started record. You see, it is coming the trend. So now we press the force value into check the there's a stock check to the IGV. So we go to this one, the manual demand position. So I press this one and press the 5% in select force value and press send and close. You see, it is the feedback, it is the actual error. Now we go to the trend and see. You see, it is the demand tower position, it is the demand, it is the feedback percentage, it is the actual error in position, in the actual error in degree. It is in the degree, no, it's high. So now we increase the force value or command value. Now we put the 8%. You see, we put 8% and send and close. You see, when you put the 8%, you see, suddenly this IGV position high error is come. You see, IGV position high true value. You see this one. You see this one. And then when we post the demand value of 8%, then the IGV high error is come. So now go increase one by one. You see, now we put the value is 9%, 9, or put the 9.4. You see, 9.4. You see, demand is 9.4, feedback is 9, and here is the, in that case, no high error. You see, it is the 9, only 9.4. Now we increase this one. You see, there is the 9.5, and send and close. You see is here. You see, suddenly this is IGV high error come. That means when you pressing the command is 9.5%, then this the IGV high errors come, and you see in the feedback you also see you go to the control monitor, you can see the alarm unit in tip condition, and the tip block you see IGV position your high is come. These are the main problem. That's it. In that case, you see the percentage feedback. You see, actual error is 0.38, but in degree error you see 5 degrees. Actually 5 degrees. That means now we increase our demand. We go to the 25%. Press 25 and send and close. you see 25. Now in trend you can see, you see the degree error is increasing. IGV position, actual your degree is increasing. It is the position feedback in position demand, but in increasing is a degree increasing is increasing. Now we put the another one. It is press the 50%. You see 50, send and close. You see increase, and you say it is also it is showing the high value. It is remain high value, and but you see the actual error in degree is increasing. Again we put the 75. 75, you see we put the 75, then you see that is the degree increasing is increasing, actual error is increasing. Now it is 41, but no actual error is less. You see in that case, okay, we put another one. Now we go to the 100%. 100%, oh, sorry, no, this one we put the 100%. You see press 100. In that case you see IGV control failure. Now also okay. See we put the feedback 100% and feedback got the 99%. In that case you can see the error, no error is showing, but here in error is showing the high position, high all this come this one, and in that the unit in summary condition. Now we down press, that means we want to decrease setting value one by one. Now we put the 75%. Now we decreasing, you see now feedback is a 74.83, decreasing, and in that case again we press the put value in 50. To 50 we put value 50, and you see in trend you can see down, and in that case you see the actual error is increasing. You see I will show you later when you stop the recorded. Now we press the 25, you see 25, and we go to another one is a, now we press the 9%, press 9%, 9, and send and close. But you see before the IGV high position come into when we push the 9.5%, then the IGV high will come. But in that case, when we decrease the value in the 8%, sorry 9%, but the still is showing the IGV position high. I see, I acknowledge it. You see, I acknowledge it. We had is gone, but the tip block we press the safety button, safety reset, and the master reset, but it is still removed. When the less than the 8%, the 9%, then it will be gone on. So, but you see here the in trend you see it become the false, but high position or not, it is also existing. So we decrease another one. Now we go to beyond this 6%. If you put 6%, then you see 6%, and you see is false. That means the high error is become the false, because that is when less than the 9.4%, the high error is gone, and the when less the 6%, then the IGV position high error also is gone. You see this one, and this one. Now we put the 0 value. You see now press 0, send and close. Okay, so our making 10 is completed. Now we stop this one and save this one. So you can put this here, stop record. You see stop record, the record is stopped. Now we save as for our future analysis. Go to file and press and save as, then it will take a location where we want to save this one. You see we can make a IGV trend with the to name is 725. Okay, I put a press and desktop value. Desktop here you can put it here. Save. Okay. Now our trend is saved. Okay. Now we can analyze this. I will show. You see, we want to analyze this. Any expert can understand how it is working, and easily he can find out the problem that's are happening in our control system. You see, here you see, this is the IGV actual feedback. This one go you see, this is the, when you go this one, you see 7% error is here. 7%. Right side is also, see, this is also the 7%. That means go to 7% actual error, and big error is a, you see, this is the 9%. You go to 9%. Right value, you see 9.5%. Here you go another one. You see is here 12%, 3.13%. Here you see 180% demand, 100% demand. You see 100% demand. 100% demand. You see it is going to 11.4%. And when you put the feedback command is, in that case you can understand in this analyzing this trend, you can easily understand what's happening. So dear friend, I think it is very helpful to you. So no more today. Assalamu Alaikum. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.